You're pregnant, you're hungry, and suddenly your body is treating everyday foods like they're laced with plutonium. Rice? Boring. Pasta? Meh. Then barley catches your eye in the health food aisle with its superfood status and ancient grain pedigree. But wait, before you toss that package in your cart, you might want to know that this humble grain is hiding some secrets that your OBGYN probably never mentioned. Yet what if I told you that barley could either be your pregnancy bestie or your nutritional nemesis, depending on just a few key factors that almost nobody is talking about? Today, we're diving face first into the barley during pregnancy debate with 10 shocking facts that might just change your entire prenatal nutrition game. Whether you're sporting a baby bump the size of a pea or a full-blown watermelon, this video is your VIP ticket to barley enlightenment. So pause that pregnancy craving, put down that mystery cereal, and let's separate fact from fiction faster than your bladder fills these days. Fact number 1. Barley's nutrient profile is pregnancy gold. Barley isn't just another boring grain collecting dust in your pantry. This superstar is packed with fiber, iron, selenium, and B vitamins like they're going out of style. That fiber? It's working overtime to keep your pregnancy constipation at bay, which, let's be honest, is practically worth its weight in gold by trimester 3. Speaking of gold, your prenatal vitamin might be stealing your money because barley's nutritional lineup is impressive. But there's a dark side to this grain that makes some health experts break out in a cold sweat. Fact number 2. The gluten bombshell plot twist. Barley contains gluten, and not just a little, but enough to throw your pregnancy health into chaos if you're among the 1% with celiac disease or the estimated 6% with gluten sensitivity. While your non-pregnant self might have powered through occasional bloating, pregnancy amplifies everything, including potential gluten reactions that could affect nutrient absorption for both you and your tiny human. Now, before you panic dump your barley stash, stick around, because what I'm about to tell you about barley's effect on blood sugar might actually make it the perfect prenatal snack for certain moms to be. Fact number 3. Blood sugar benefits are real. Unlike its refined carb cousins, barley is the blood sugar whisperer of the grain world. With a glycemic index lower than a limbo champion, it releases glucose slowly into your bloodstream, potentially reducing your risk of gestational diabetes by up to 30% according to some studies. For pregnant women already dodging the glucose tolerance test bullet, barley could be your secret weapon. But just when you thought barley deserved a Pregnancy Hall of Fame induction, wait until you hear about the processing problem that's turning this superfood into super questionable. Fact number 4. Processing predicament. Not all barley is created equal, folks. Pearl barley, that cute polished version you probably grab without thinking, has had its nutritious outer layer stripped faster than a celebrity wardrobe malfunction. The hulled variety keeps its nutritional swagger intact with up to 65% more fiber and 25% more protein. Pregnancy is not the time for nutritionally naked grains. While we're talking processing, let me hit you with the contamination bombshell that's keeping food safety experts up at night. Fact number 5. Cross-contamination concerns. Here's where it gets spicy. Raw barley can sometimes be cross-contaminated with harmful bacteria or worse, traces of mold that produce mycotoxins. During pregnancy, your immune system is already working part-time, making you more vulnerable to foodborne nasties. Always buy from reputable sources and cook that barley until it's steaming hot. Pregnancy is not the time to channel your inner raw food rebel. But before you swear off barley forever, I'm about to reveal the preparation hack that transforms barley from potentially problematic to perfectly pregnancy-friendly. Fact number 6. The soaking solution, ancient wisdom for the win. Soaking barley for 12 hours before cooking isn't just some hippie ritual, it's science, baby. This simple step reduces phytic acid by up to 40%, unlocking minerals like iron and zinc that your growing baby is literally stealing from your body. Pregnancy is basically nutritional Hunger Games, and soaking gives you the competitive edge. Now, let's talk about the barley benefit that your overworked pregnancy bladder might actually thank you for. Fact number 7. Urinary tract protection. If you're pregnant, your urinary tract is basically a highway to infection town thanks to hormonal changes and physical pressure. Enter barley water, an old-school remedy your grandmother probably swore by. With its gentle diuretic properties and ability to alkalinize urine, some research suggests it creates an environment where bacteria struggle to throw their infectious house parties. But wait, before you start chugging barley water, there's a specific trimester when barley consumption deserves extra caution. Fact number 8. Timing matters. Third trimester moms, listen up. Barley's high fiber content is mostly a blessing, but it can sometimes trigger the pregnancy nemesis known as gas and bloating. Exactly what you don't need when your organs are already playing sardines under your diaphragm. Moderation becomes your mantra here. Think quality over quantity to avoid turning your baby bump into a Barley balloon. Speaking of moderation, the next Barley fact exposes the portion problem that's tripping up even the most health-conscious mamas. Fact number 9. Portion perspective. A reality check for the Barley enthusiasts. While nutritious, barley is still calorically dense at about 200 calories per cooked cup. During pregnancy, quality calories matter more than ever. The sweet spot? About 1/2 cup serving a few times weekly, ideally paired with protein to slow digestion and maximize those nutritional benefits for you and your little passenger. And finally, the barley preparation method that's so controversial, it might just divide the pregnancy nutrition community faster than debates about epidurals. Fact number 10. Fermentation fascination. Fermented barley products like tempeh or certain traditional beverages pack a probiotic punch that could support your pregnancy microbiome, which affects everything from immunity to potentially even your baby's future health. But, and this is crucial, any fermented barley containing alcohol, like beer, is completely off the pregnancy menu. No exceptions, no debate, no just a sip nonsense. So there you have it. Barley isn't just safe during pregnancy. When approached correctly, it could be the unsung hero of your prenatal nutrition plan. Remember, pregnancy isn't about perfect eating. It's about informed choices that work for your unique journey. If you found this barley breakdown helpful, you'll absolutely want to check out my video 15 foods to eat during pregnancy for an intelligent baby. Because who doesn't want to give their little one a nutritional head start in the brainiac department? Until next time, reminding you that growing a human is hard work. So nourish yourself boldly, choose your grains wisely, and always trust your gut, even when it's the size of a basketball.